Hi kids, it's me, Teacher Carl. What does your parents do when you can't sleep? But that won't make me sleep. Story by Annie Pacaña Lumbao. Illustrations by Lisa Flores. Nighttime came with a blanket of stars and a moon for a lamp. Time to sleep, Nanay said. But still, Maya lay wide awake in her room. Nanay, how can I sleep tonight? Maya asked. If you've already washed your face and brushed your teeth, I shall tuck you in the bed with your smooth blanket, soft pillow, and cuddly toy, Nanay replied. But that won't make me sleep, Maya said. I can read you one more bedtime story if you want, said Nanay. But that won't make me sleep. You've already read me 3 stories, but I'm still awake, Nanay, Maya reminded Nanay. What else can we do to make you sleep tonight? Nanay thought aloud. I will ask a string quartet to play sweet lullaby as I sing to you inside the room. That sounds nice, but that won't make me sleep, Maya said. I shall ask the Diwatas to comb your hair until you fall asleep and give you pleasant dreams, Nanay said, stroking Maya's long hair. I love Diwatas, said Maya, but that won't make me sleep. I know. I shall pull the moon and a string of stars through your window. You can count the stars in your room till you fall asleep. Maya's eyes grew as wide as 2 full moons and then twinkled in delight. But still, but that won't make me sleep, Maya said. Suddenly, a deep voice called out, Tatay, you're home! Maya sighed in relief as she embraced Tatay. Nanay knew nothing else would trouble Maya's sleep that night. Maya was just waiting for Tatay to come home from work. Good night, Maya finally said as Nanay and Tatay kissed and hugged her tight. And that's where the story ends. Thanks for watching.